I have witnessed several profound impacts Roots and Shoots had on both the students that I taught in the Bronx, New York, and those I worked with out here in Tucson, Arizona. I believe the best way to communicate a bit of what I experienced would be through their words rather than mine. And for your sake, although it was hard, I chose just two. And these are students who I had the pleasure of teaching 24 years ago in the Bronx. The first one is from Sedonia. As an inner city youth, I had never seen natural environments or stars that really are in the sky. So why would I care to protect and help the environment thrive? The many class trips we took were going deeper and deeper into nature, along with our Roots and Shoots projects, helped us escape the parameters of our social norms in the Bronx. I am forever grateful for the invaluable lessons our projects taught us. We proved that no matter how young we were or the color of our skin, our voices matter and our ideas can and did make a difference. I have also carried many of these lessons to my children. And the last one is from Rodney. I can say Roots and Shoots was at the beginning of my realization that the world was much bigger than the Bronx, and that I could go out into the world like Dr. Goodall did and find my place in it. I think back at those days and sometimes think about the work we did in our foray into sustainability. It's become such a hot topic today, but it's nice to know that 20 odd years ago, with the help of Roots and Shoots, a bunch of kids from the Bronx were looking at and thinking about how to create a more sustainable future. I now live and work in the Netherlands at a firm that is a global leader in sustainable asset management. So I'm still a Roots and Shoots member doing my part. Receiving this award has now become the greatest honor of my life that I share with all my Roots and Shoots students and my dearest friends, Myrn and Jerry O'Sullivan, who are responsible for opening my mind and heart to the magnificence of the natural world, which became my paramount goal to pass on to many, many, many of the classes I taught. Jane, knowing you and receiving so much gratification from working in the Roots and Shoots program, I consider to be the greatest gifts my life has brought me. Thank you.